Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Okay, the part 2 of slime is going to be the next video after this video, but my sister is going to make this slime because currently she's working on something, so I just wanted to make my slime first. So I'm going to get my container and making it in. Put this there. Izzy, what are you doing? I'm going to open my door. This is so exciting. This is so hard to get out. Seriously? Ugh, it is what it is though. Ugh, come on. Wow, it's so pretty. This stinks. Okay, guys. Hurry up and finish. Okay. That's all I'm gonna add. Hurry up and drip then before I close this. This is taking forever. Hurry up and get down. Okay. Just do it already. Oh. Okay. That's it. Okay. Get some more of this stuff out. Okay. Just gotta add a little bit. That's all. Okay, I dumped the whole thing. It's time to mix. Okay, so time to add the activator. It's gonna be. Okay, it's forming, but I know it's gonna be sticky. So I'm just gonna keep on mixing. See? The slime is gonna be great. I love making slime. Okay, that's still sticky. Yeah, ew. That's so sticky. Disgusting, get off me. Okay, stuff off me. A little bit more activator. Okay, because I just don't want it to be, let's see, too sticky. And it is very sticky. So guys, this is the slime. It is in very good shape. I'm just going to have to start kneading with my hand, which I hate doing, but I have to do. For you guys. I'm making this slime for you guys. It's very sticky. Just want to add till it's not so sticky. Ooh, lucky. Let's just do that on top. Okay. Let's just start mixing. And go like this. Okay, guys, if you can hear screaming, it doesn't matter. I keep on adding activator, guys, so don't get mad at me because I'm doing that, but it needs to get like this. Yes, it is. Okay. Okay, kitty, be quiet. Okay, guys, it's still very sticky. So I'm gonna keep on adding activator till it's not sticky. Because I don't like sticky slime. But it's slime, but it's just not for me. I just don't like sticky slime. I hate sticky slime. Ugh, I hate this. But I'm still gonna make slime, because slime is slime, guys. Okay, I'm gonna start kneading this, guys. So, I'm just gonna keep on pouring some activator. Just not mixing with my hands. Start getting this. Okay, I'm just gonna get all the sides now. Let's get the slime off. Okay, it's not gonna polka dots. I think I added too much activator. Oh no, I think I added too much activator. It's not turning into slime. I'm so stupid. Okay, I might add some of my sisters again. Okay, guys. So the slime. So my sister's gonna do a part 2 because my friend Christina was gonna come over and make slime with us, but she was, but we were all sick.
We still are all sick.
I know. That's why I said we were all sick. We were all sick, so she couldn't come, which is a bummer. But it's good. I'm just gonna keep on kneading until it's not so sticky. That's what I do with all my slimes. My sister will do a part 2, guys. So after I post this video and it's finished posting, she's gonna do the exact same thing, but with this one. Okay, we were gonna make it together, but she had to she was working on her Apple Watch. I don't know why, but okay, guys, the slime is very good. Let's get some of the slime mix in here, out of there. It's still extremely sticky, but I'm good. It's not gonna hurt nobody. I was very excited when Mom said yes, we could buy slime. Because I was like, we can do a slime video with it now. It's clear. It's clear. Oh, there's still a bit glue. I might make some more. Oh, I'll do polka dots when it's not so sticky. Gotta get the stuff off my hands before I eat. And then wash my hands so I don't get the activator stuck all over my food. Ooh, almost touched the table. The table's like, oh, and I don't know. Get it under. Let's put that in there. Put the slime in there. Oh, the slime dripping. Yeah, who cares? So now I'm gonna close the lid of this. Put my sister's 2 things in there. Get the fork and start picking it off the sides. Because this is the container. Ooh, leave this slime in. And I don't wanna. You can make your slime now. Okay, guys. Oh no, sticky since I added more. But it's good, guys. Would you want me to make your slime? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make my sister's slime. Put that in there. Get all my slime out of here. But I have to go get a different container because I'm not using the same container I use. Slime's gonna be in. So I'm gonna make my sisters. Okay, get off now. Okay, got this stuff off. Okay, guys, my slime is a success. Okay, pop that in my container. Okay, now I'm gonna go get a container to make her slime. Okay. Dad, what container are you using? Guys, I got the container. I have the container to make my sister's slime. Okay, so we're gonna I'm a bit sick. I'm sick today, so we're gonna add my sister's glue because she's busy. So she said I could make her slime, so that's what I'm gonna do. I might add a bit of my slime to here because I used a bit of hers. This stuff is hard to get out. I want to get all of it out. I think I'm going to use the tip of my fork and just jag it out. Okay, that's it. Hurry up and come down, you stupid glue. Okay, hurry up. Okay, that's, oh no, why did I ever do that? Okay, hurry up. I have no time. Okay, we need to hurry up and make this stupid slime. And I'm gonna add some of my glue in there. Okay, it's not coming down, so we're not gonna use my glue. But we have her fork. Start acting the activator. She said I can make her slime. It's fun because I can make 2 slimes. This is my slime, my sister's slime. I have to, ew, what's that? Yeah, probably corn from last night. Yes, I have to mix this now. Ew, I keep on making a mess. Okay, Rocky, no. Puppy, not now. I think I added too much. She's gonna kill me. Okay, she said she didn't want me to add too much activator, so that's all I'm gonna add. I'm gonna have to start mixing with my hands. It's gonna be super duper sticky. Yes, it is. That's why you should listen to me. I'm the slime pro. Just a little bit more, because it's really sticky. I don't want it to be that. I don't want it to be like that. Ew! Rocky! No! Good puppy dog. Okay, leave. Okay. Same how mine first started. So we're going to start kneading it. Rocky, slime is not to eat. Activate. You might think it's food. Okay, guys, I'm kneading hers. It needs more activator because she said don't add too much, but I have to. It needs more active. Can you please open the activator and tip some in your slime? It needs more. Look how sticky it is. I don't think you want sticky slime. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, I think that's. Leave it open for when I need to add more to yours. Because it's still a bit. Look how sticky that is. Hates sticky slime. She hates sticky slime as well. That's my sister. This is her slime. She's busy, so she I could make it watery. Take the water out later. And have to clean it up. Start to mix. Okay. Okay. Let's make some blue slime. Okay, guys, this is not easy to make. It's like, I hate like when Elmer's glue just sticks to you. When it's Elmer's glues everything, it does this. And when I made slime at my friend's house, we just used clear glue. We had to keep kneading it to the point where it was stiff. I don't want blue in my slime. Let's just wash my hands. It's really stiff, but it's gonna be good. There's water in there, so let me take it out. It's a bit. Okay, let's get this slime out of this container. Did you hear that bubble? That was fantastic. Okay. Slime, come join the group. Mine's kind of like that, so just tasted it. I just tasted the activator. Ugh. See? I'm sick. That just came up like nowhere. Oh, that almost sounded disgusting. Okay, guys. That's the end of this. Oh yeah, we bought stuff from this really big garage sale. Okay. This slime's very jiggly. I like it, but it's jiggly, like super duper jiggly. Okay. It's so jiggly and I love it. I'm trying to get all the excess things off. So when she starts to play with it, it won't like be too sticky. Last time we made slime, she melted her slime because she kept on like playing with it when her hands were wet. So I had to give her some of my slime, and I chopped it out because it got melted as well. So, okay, we got the excess things off. Now we just have to mix. Get all the slime off all my slime. Okay, Christina, I'm sorry you couldn't come over and mix slime with us because we're all sick. Maybe next time we can make slime with us and do like a Q&A YouTube video. Hey, Emma! Oh, she's talking. That's my older sister, Emma. So, perfect swell. Okay, get excess stuff off. Okay, it's all off. Okay, the slime is brilliant. I just gotta get slime off my hands. Off my hands. Off. Okay, it's the slime I can't stop playing with. It's like so good. So that's how you make slime, guys. Please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Wait, let's do ASMR. We'll do ASMR when we go back inside. This is a long video, and I love long videos and stuff, so I'll chop those out. Oh, there's still a bit of glue, but you can save the activator when we get more. I'm gonna put this in the room. I'm gonna chop these in the bin. So guys, I'm gonna go give her slime to her. So I'm gonna bring you guys along.
I've been doing it for the last.
So let's go in the room, do some ASMR with both of the slime. It's really dark in here, but don't worry about it. It's just that. Huh. Where could we do ASMR? So do it here. Turn on the light. Even though it's horribly wrong, I'll still turn it. I'll put my phone on the bed. First, we're gonna do it with this Skills slime ASMR. Ew, I don't want dry slime. Look how clear that is. Let's see if we can do a bubble. Wait, just move the containers out of the way. Ready? That's really good. Probably a bubble. Okay, that's her slime. Very good. Time to check out my slime. It's not gonna, if it doesn't close, it's gonna be dry, and we don't want dry slime. Time for my slime. Very, very good. Wait, I just gotta get the excess slime off. Okay, excess slime. Gabs, your slime is brilliant. Gabs, come check out your slime. I was playing with it and it's great. Here. Oh no! Don't break container. This is how I was playing with it, and I was showing them how good it is. And it's jiggly. It's like clear jiggly. I love it. Want to play with your slime? It's like clear jiggly. I love, like, look how jiggly that is. Here you go. There's your container. Okay guys, time to do more ASMR of mine. Let's get all the excess stuff off. Okay. It's jiggly, that's why. Mine's a bit jiggly as well.
What the hell is this shit?
Slime. Whoa, that was great. You're the slime head.
You're both slime head.
You're the biggest slime head.
Yeah, slime head.
How do you make it?
Glue and then activator.
Why is it glitter?
I got to make Gabs because she was busy and I asked if I could make it. She said yes. Hers is like jiggly and it's like a good texture.
Nice.
Let's see if I can do swells. Okay guys, See if I can do a swirl. That is brilliant. Okay, it's a better one now. So please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and so you know every time we post. Bye.